Everyone, Tim here, giving you a quick countdown. What's 5 days left mean? It's 5 days left before we start the best subject to workshop, buying houses subject to workshop in Dallas, Fort Worth, and North Texas for all that matter. And just want to give you a quick update here where we stand. Adding a bunch of new content for you, fine-tuning what we've been doing for years in this program, and it just keeps getting better and better. So the next 5 days, I'm going to give you little tidbits every day. I'm going to start off with, we're going to be going through and doing a good overview of what Subject 2 is, just to kind of get everybody on the same baseline if you haven't seen my previous classes. Next thing we're going to talk about is marketing strategies, how to find the deals, how to find the sellers. We're going to get into that in some great detail with some examples on what to do and where to go, where to find these sellers. And then we're going to spend a lot of time on pre-screening sellers. How do you ask? What do you ask? So on and so forth. Okay? So just want to remind you, you need to get registered. You need to come into the West DFW REI group, click on calendar of events, and then when you come to the calendar of events, click on 20 March right here, and just scroll down to the bottom, read all the details, scroll to the bottom, and get registered. You still have 5 days, 4 days really, since it's Monday afternoon, to get registered, and we'll be available and ready to go on Saturday morning. Now, for those of you who do register, just a reminder, make sure you print the property information sheet that you receive in the email, in your welcome email. We're going to be sending you that information sheet out so that you can have it in the class for one thing, but I hope that you will bring your deals, bring your subject to deals with you to class. We will run them through the ringer, determine if there's a deal there or not. We're going to show you how you can make money on every one of those deals. But we want to be able to go through that property information sheet in detail, okay? Again, bring your deals. The next thing I want to remind you about is recommend going back to the 6th February event right here. If you come back here, click on February. Come over here, click on 6th February. And go back, and if you haven't seen this already, if you missed it, go through and watch this event. This is free to everybody to get in here and see this, the pros and cons of taking the deed. It would be helpful for you in your business as well as in the class if you are able to watch this video clear at the very bottom. Scroll down here to the bottom right there and click and watch that video, okay? Or you can listen to the audio here as well. But that information will be very helpful to you on Saturday. So until then, go watch that info, get registered. If you have questions, call the office, 817-599-8058, 817-599-8058. Tomorrow, we'll give you another update and some more things, more topics we're going to be talking about. You don't want to miss this event, folks. There's a wave of foreclosures, pre-foreclosures coming, and I want you to be ready for it. Will you be ready? See you then.